Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Success Step Word, who says if you dream it you can do it. So guys, we are back and today we'll talk about several idioms and phrases which you can use in your speaking test. So let's get started. So as you all know, every language has a different way to describe things, ideas and feelings and have a huge set of phrases that has special meaning. Clear? Like if I talk about Hindi language, we use a number of muhavras. Similarly, in English, we use idioms and phrasal verbs to express ourselves. And it is extremely important that we understand what idioms are and how to use them because we use them frequently in our everyday communication. And not only this, it also enhances our speaking test bands if we use them in our test. Clear? So if you want to get 7 or 7 plus band score in speaking test, then it is must for you to use some idioms and phrases in whole interview or test. Let's move on. So the first question is, what is an idiom? So don't get stressed. I will tell you each thing in simpler way. Basically, as we use muhavre in Hindi language, we call them idioms in English language. So an idiom is a phrase or expression that generally has non-literal meaning. The meaning can't be understood by reading each word. For an instance, if you are happy, you might say, I am feeling over the moon right now. It doesn't mean that you are on the moon. So now I'll tell you most common idioms which you can use in your speaking test or in your everyday routine. So the first expression is happiness. So when you feel extremely happy at that time, you can say, I was on cloud 9 when I saw my result. So cloud 9, on cloud 9 is your idiom. So the meaning of this line is that I was happy at that time. Clear? Next you can say, I was feeling over the moon when I saw my result. Similarly, you can say, I felt on top of the world when I saw my result. Clear? Last one for happy mood is, I was in seventh heaven when I saw my result. Now, if you are sad for something, at that time, what will you say? You can say, I usually feel blue when I think about staying alone in foreign country in future. It means मैं बहुत sad feel करती हूँ जब मैं सोचती हूँ इस बारे में कि मुझे foreign country में रहना पड़ेगा future में अकेले. Clear? So next is fall to pieces. Like you can say, I fell to pieces when I got low scores in exam. Means मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सैड फील कर रही थी जब मुझे एग्जाम्स में कम स्कोर मिला. क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन इज एक्साइटमेंट. व्हाट इफ यू आर एक्साइटेड अबाउट समथिंग? यू कैन से at the time I was on the edge of my seat when I was watching that scene. Clear? Apart from it, you can say I'll be there with bells on, or I will travel on that trip with bells on. Clear? So these are some idioms. In this video, my motive is just to tell you what is an idiom or how can we use it. And one more thing, today I have a task for you all. You have to write 3 sentences in the comment section by using any of given idiom. Clear? In our further video, we'll study a huge set of idioms and phrases of different type of expressions. So till then, stay tuned with us, and if you didn't subscribe the channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our upcoming videos. Also, if you like our videos, please like and share it as much as you can, that your loved ones can also get benefited by it. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video.